Take your weight off me. I know you every move, so why don't you just let me be? I've been your time before, but I was blind to see that you seduce every man. This time you answered it's me. She said that's okay. Hey baby, do what you please. I have the stuff that you want. I am the thing that you need. She looked me deep in the eye. She tried to misunderstand. She said there's no coming back. She tried to remember to always think twice. People always told me, be careful what to do. Don't go around breaking young girls' heart. And mother always told me, be careful who you love. Be careful what to do, 'cause life becomes so true, yeah.